Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I am doing another one of those I tried following a beauty guru's makeup tutorial, in which was all started by Thomas Halbert, I think his name is. It's the last one. I got a lot of love, and thank you Daisy, you guys. She recognized it and she retweeted it, and yes, thank you so much. And I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. That may not be a lot for some people, but it is for me because I've been trying to get into the thousands for a while now, and I finally made it. I just want to thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel for all your love and your support. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I am Madi, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. I promise you, you won't regret it. I post videos every single week, and I'm going to try and post more than 2. I'm usually posting 2 videos a week. It's kind of hard because I work and I'm in school, but I try to balance it all out and add some YouTube videos in there. But yes, like I was saying, I did get a lot of great positive feedback on the I Copy Daisy Marquez look. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the card up here. I always forget what side it's on, but it'll be up here. As well as the link will be down below, so if you guys like to go watch that one. But today I'm doing something more bold and more colorful. So for this video, I did follow Eyedette's makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny.
So I'm starting off with the look by using my Sephora Minnie Mouse palette, and of course I prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion.
Okay, I don't have that light blue shade, so I'm just gonna skip that because it's like pretty light, so I don't think I really need it, so let's just go.
And I'm going to be taking this light blue shade. You don't have to be using the same exact colors that I use, but then I'm going to be taking a normal white shade, apply it under my brow bone.
Okay, let me do that. So I'm going to take my flat-ended brush, and I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and take this, oh, wrong way, and take this white eyeshadow right here to highlight my brow bone. Okay, oh my god, I never really use white to highlight my brow bone, so we'll see how this goes.
And I'm taking my colorful Morphe palette. Everything will be in the description down below for specifics. And I'm taking this second blue shade right here. And
okay, I'm going to take my Morphe M441 blending brush and take that same blue shade that she used right here. It's probably a bad idea just to go straight into blue because I didn't use transition, but we'll make it work. So we're gonna put that into the crease. Oh my god! Oh my god, no, that's so dramatic. I primed my lid with concealer, you guys, but I don't set it, so that's why these are being extra dramatic today. I'm using this Luxie brush, Luxie 249, which is like a double-sided, to blend out the product because I went in too much right away. I'm going to lightly apply this into the crease. Damn! Okay, let me go back. Hold on, hold on. Why does hers look so lighter than mine? What the hell? I went and put white eyeshadow on top because mine was just like skipping, so let's try this again. Hold on, we'll get there. This is reality. This is reality. Sometimes eyeshadows don't work for everyone, but this better work for me.
true royal blue color here. I'm taking it on a little pencil brush.
Okay, oh my god, hold on. Let me finish blending. Hold on. It's weird because this eyeshadow looks super blue in the palette, but on my eyes it looks like turquoise. I'm taking my BH Cosmetics 105 pencil brush and going in with that dark blue shade. Now to cut my crease, she's using her Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer.
outlining my lip, white shimmery shade from the Vice palette from Urban Decay.
So for the eyelid, she uses a white shimmery shade. So I'm going to go into the Jack & Hill palette and take this shade right here.
As usual, I'm taking my favorite Too Faced Shadow Insurance glitter glue, and then I'm going to be taking it on a synthetic Sedona lace brush, and I'm going to be packing that all over where I placed the white shade. And then over top, I'm going to be taking this Iridescent Bulk Glitters glitter.
Okay, so the glitter I have isn't that thick. I'm only going to apply a little bit of the glitter glue because she has like big glitter chunks and these are really small ones. So when I put it on, it's just going to be like one thick cut crease of glitter, and that's not what she's doing. She kind of just has it like on top, just coating the eyeshadows. So we're gonna have to work very lightly with this glitter. Okay, so I'm going to take my glitter glue by Too Faced and using my Morphe M224 brush. And then I'm going to take this iridescent glitter and just use my finger because like I said, I only want a little bit of this glitter on it.
I'm taking my Lashes by Coco Lashes after applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to be applying them right onto my eyelids.
Okay, so I don't have the Coco lashes, but I have Morphe lashes, so I'm going to use those. Let me go get them. Okay, so the lashes that I'm using today are the Morphe Posh lashes. I don't actually have the Coco lashes, so these are the ones I'm going to use today. Okay, so now that the eyes are pretty much done for now, we're going to go on to the face. So let's see what she uses.
And then I'm taking my two Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundations, mixing them.
Okay, so she didn't show what primer she used. I'm going to use my Smashbox Primer Water, of course, my favorite. So she used the Rainforest of the Sea foundation, but I don't have that. But I do have the Shape Tape foundation, so I'm going to use that. And this is the matte one.
I'm going to go ahead and use my Kat Von D concealer, and guys, this is my first time trying her concealers. They are absolutely amazing. It's almost better than my NARS creamy concealer in the shade Custard. You guys know I love that stuff, but this really stays on really nicely. And
okay, so I don't have the Kat Von D concealer, so I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C6. I honestly never tried the Kat Von D concealers. Maybe I should. I don't know. I just know that her foundation is really thick and heavy. So I don't know how I feel about her concealers. Because I like having a bright under eye, but I don't like wearing heavy like foundation or concealer. So I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a try. We'll see. Puts it on her chin and down her nose.
Kat Von D translucent powder, which is also super amazing, and I think I might like it a little bit better than my Laura Mercier, or just as much. Also, if you guys want to...
I don't have the Kat Von D powder, but it looks pretty white, so I'm just going to take my handy dandy RCMA powder under her eyes. Does she bake? Let's see. So she bakes. She puts on her forehead, and she puts on her nose. Honestly, Eyedette always has like a very bright under eye with a strong contour. I feel like her face, just like the structure, I just love the way it looks, honestly.
Down below, and now I'm gonna be taking...
Damn it, oh my god. She's using the Shade and Light palette, and mine shattered and it like lost all of it. So let me see if I have a little bit left. Hold on. So this is my Shade and Light palette. It is like gone. I have a little bit of the shade that she used to contour, so I'll try to use some of that.
products. They're just...
Oh yeah, so I don't know if this is like a different brand, but this is the Makeup Shack one. It looks very similar to the one that she's using, and she uses that to like contour slash bronze her nose. So the blush that she is using looks like a very pink blush, so I'm going to take this Essence blush in Baby Doll, and to do that I am using my Urban Studios Stippling 204 brush. So she wasn't able to record the highlight, but I'm just going to look at it and try to recreate it. So I'm going into the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and taking the blue shadow, which is Sapphire, and I'm using my Morphe M510. She has a very strong blue highlight, and it looks like she topped it off with the glitter, but I don't think I'm going to do the glitter. We'll see. And then I'm going to go back into the glitter and just whatever is left in the cap, I'm just going to apply on top. Only on my cheekbones. I'm not going to put the glitter on my nose though. But she used the Kylie Cosmetics Smile liquid lipstick, but I don't have that one, but I do have the Angel one. Okay, so this liquid lipstick is a lot more purple and mauve than from what I remembered. But it's too late to take it off, so we're just gonna go with it. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I really love this trend going on. Like, I kind of want to do more, but that's probably going to get too repetitive. But if you guys would like to see me do another beauty guru, let me know in the comments down below. I really love doing this. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay bloomy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!